Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone settings. And in today's video, I will show you on how to deeply clean up your WhatsApp using WhatsApp inbuilt cleaner on your Android phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you look for Phone Master on your Android phone. So go ahead and click on Phone Master. After you click on Phone Master, go ahead and make sure you click on Booster right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to make sure you go ahead and click on Optimize. Then go ahead and click on Optimize. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and look for WhatsApp Cleaner right here. Go ahead and click on Clean Now. Just like so. You have backup conversation history, you have images, you have audio, you have video, and you have download file. So what you need to do right here is to select as much as possible the number of file that you want to delete. So just like what you see right here, this WhatsApp here is consumed about 786 megabyte storage. So what we want to do here, I'm going to select videos, and I'm going to select audios. I'm going to select images. Be sure that some of the information you select right here are truly the one you want to delete completely, because once you delete, you cannot recover back some of these informations you delete from the point right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Clean. Selected files cannot be recovered after deletion. Confirm deletion. Go ahead and click on Delete. Just like so, you can see we are able to save about 670 megabytes through WhatsApp Cleaner. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about how to use your Android phone, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.